Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is January 16th, and they are good up until Saturday, January 22nd. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so with this transaction, this is a transaction that I did online and I picked it up in store. I also shopped through the Rakuten app for some extra cash back. And then I also used a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. Also, I used a promo code NEWYOU for some additional savings also. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is going to be both of these Colgate Total toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase two at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will get back $4 in Walgreens cash for purchasing two, making both of these toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Also, you guys, I would like to mention that I will have a Google document down in the description box below, so you guys can print that off if you are interested in any of these deals. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these soft soap body washes. This is the Shea and Almond Oil. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $1 digital coupon will bring your total down to $6.98. Then you will receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash rewards, bringing your total down to $1.98, or just making each one of these 99 cents. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Gain liquid laundry detergents, and these are priced at 2 for $10 at Walgreens this week. We do have a $2 off of 2 Gain digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $10 minus that $2 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $8 for both bottles, or it'll make each bottle just $4. And then next up, I went ahead and grabbed this L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair shampoo and conditioner. And these are priced at Walgreens as well for $3.99. And I purchased 2. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon will bring your total down to $3.98. And then we also have a $2 off of 2 IVC coupon on the Walgreens app. So $3.98 minus that $2 IVC coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. And then for this right here, for the Gillette Shave Foam, you guys, I did it online and I purchased 2, but then I received an email saying that they only had 1 in stock. So I wasn't able to get my Walgreens cash for the Gillette. But the Gillette is priced at $2.99, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. One will ring up at $2.99. Your second one will ring up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 will bring your total to $4.48. Then you will, when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, bringing your total down to 48 cents for both, or it'll make each one just 24 cents, which is a really great price. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Head and Shoulders 2-in-1. This is the green apple, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $5.99. And the deal is you will receive a $4 registry reward when you buy 2. So you're going to purchase 2 at $5.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.98. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11.98 minus that $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to $8.98. And then you will receive back that $4 registry reward for buying 2. I did receive my $4 registry reward right here. And so with receiving this $4 registry reward, it brought my total down to $4.98 for both, or $2.49 each. And then I also grabbed a total of 4 of the hand soap soft soaps. And these are buy one, get one 50% off this week at Walgreens. They are regularly priced at $1.99. I purchased 4. So 2 rung up at $1.99 and the other 2 rung up at 99 cents. And the deal is when you buy 4, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So when you purchase all, it's going to bring your total to $5.96. We do have a 75-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.96 minus that 75-cent digital coupon will bring your total down to $5.21. And then you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 4, bringing your total down to $1.21 for all 4, or it'll make each one just 30 cents. So this is a really nice stock up price, you guys. And then I also purchased this Palmolive dish soap. I grabbed 4 of them. But the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $3 in Walgreens cash rewards. So they are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. When you buy 2, that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to $5.48. And then when you buy 2, you will receive back $3 in Walgreens cash rewards, bringing your total down to $2.48 for both, or it makes each one just $1.24. I went ahead and I did this deal twice, and of course, since I did it online, only the 50-cent digital coupon only attached twice, but I wanted to grab 4 bottles. So this is everything that I grabbed in this transaction, you guys. And once again, I did use the promo code NEWYOU, and that promo code took off a total of $3.17. So here's my receipt right here. There's my Colgate, Soft Soap, Game, L'Oreal, Gillette, Head and Shoulders, Soft Soap, Palmolive, and my other soft soap. Of course, all digitals came off. So my subtotal came out to be $45.89. I was able to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash rewards and still be able to receive my $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $50. So overall total is $45.89. In Walgreens cash rewards, you guys, I received back a total of $31.15. So of that $31.15, $4 came from purchasing 2 Colgate, $4 came from purchasing 4 soft soap, $5 came from purchasing 2 of the soft soap body washes, $6 came from the Palmolive because I did the deal twice, and then $10 came from me spending $50. Now, the remaining $6.15, I have absolutely no idea where that $6.15 came from. I know some of that came from the extra everyday Walgreens points that you get. Some of it came from that, but I'm not sure where the rest of the Walgreens cash came from. I've been trying to figure it out. I looked over my receipt. I checked my account again, but I just could not find where the extra Walgreens cash came from. So just by watching this video, if you think you know where the extra came from, please let me know down in the comment section below, because I absolutely have no idea. So again, guys, my subtotal came out to be $45.89. I got back $35.15 in Walgreens cash rewards. So that brought my total down to $14.74. And then I received this $4 registry reward right here from the Head and Shoulders. And that brought my total down to $10.74. And remember, guys, I did shop through the Rakuten's app. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, you guys, Walgreens is giving back 9% cash back. Usually it's 3%, but Rakuten is giving back 9% when you shop at Walgreens. So this is a really good time to do an online order at Walgreens. So from Rakuten, I was able to get back $6.15. So $10.74 minus the $6.15 that I got back from Rakuten, that brought my grand total down to $4.50 for all of these items right here. This is a total of 14 items. When you divide that $4.59 by 14, that makes each item just 25 cents. So this was a really, really great transaction for me, you guys. I was hoping to be able to get my $4 in Walgreens cash from the Gillette. Because of that, my total ended up being $4.59. But if I would have gotten that $4 back, then this transaction would have only cost me 59 cents. But it's okay. So I am still happy with this transaction. And yeah, guys, that's going to be it. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys are planning to get from Walgreens this week. Let me know what your favorite deals are for this week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.